Welcome to How to Download Your Images. This tutorial guides you through downloading all the photos for your listing. From your dashboard, select the listing from My Property Sites. Click the Download Photos button on the dashboard. Click the I accept button to agree to the Picture Perfect licensing terms and continue to the download screen. Click the Download All Photos button to quickly download all available photos at once. You can choose from Original, MLS, or custom download options. After selecting one of these download options, click the Close button to exit the Download Media window once your photos have finished downloading. Please note, your photos will download as a zip file, which can usually be found in your computer's Downloads folder. Scroll down a little further, and you'll also have the option to download individual images. You can choose either the original size or the MLS size for each photo. The images will download as JPEG files and can usually be found in your computer's Downloads folder as well. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the rest of our helpful tutorials by visiting pictureperfectllc.com/how-to. We're always adding new videos to help make your experience with Picture Perfect even easier.